You don't need thousands of dollars to start building a share portfolio. You can get started with as little as $500. With the right investment, you can easily double your money in a few short months. But which low-price stock should you grab today before the share price explodes? And how much could you earn if this investment pays off? Here's how to turn your $500 into a small fortune. Smart investors are pouring their money into AI, investing millions on the belief that this technology will change the way we live. So, what's the best way to get in on the AI boom? Many investors are turning to titans like Nvidia, Meta, and Amazon. While these are strong companies with many years of strong growth ahead, it pays to look a little deeper. Smaller businesses have the potential to deliver more rapid growth, leading to a more explosive increase in the stock price. Today, ChatGPT, Sora, and self-driving cars are shaping our society. This is just the tip of the iceberg. Historically, AI has struggled to operate in the real world. But one business could be about to change that and reshape the way that the global supply chain works in the process. Symbiotic is an exciting company that is at the forefront of building the robotic workforce of the future. They are bringing the speed and efficiency of AI into warehouses. This approach is saving companies time and, most importantly, saving them millions of dollars. While the idea of revolutionizing the way warehouses operate is ambitious, the company began with a much simpler goal. Before starting Symbiotic, Rick Cohen was the head of a wholesale grocery business. As the company grew, so did its warehouse. But he soon became annoyed at how inefficient the process was. So, he started to look around for a way to automate the warehouse. This proved to be even more frustrating. No solution seemed to fit what he was looking for. So, he decided to build his own. The initial Symbiotic prototype wasn't pretty. It was simply a piece of plywood with 4 wheels. But it proved that an autonomous warehouse robot would work. Over time, the design and technology would continue to be refined. Today, the system that Symbiotic has built has the potential to revolutionize warehousing forever. When the inventory arrives at the warehouse, it is unloaded by a Symbiotic robot. These work fast, with the ability to process up to 1,700 pallets per hour. Each pallet is logged, then placed onto a conveyor belt. Items are plucked from the conveyor belt by robots and stored in bays until they are ready to be shipped. This process occurs at astonishing speeds, with the Symbiotic robots able to move up to 20 miles per hour, covering football fields in the space of a few seconds. Unlike other warehouse automation systems, these robots aren't bolted into place and don't follow fixed routes. This flexibility has allowed Symbiotic to build one of the most efficient warehouse management systems on the market. When it comes time for an item to be shipped out, it's placed onto a conveyor belt where it is autonomously prepared for delivery. Up to 1,350 pallets can be sent out of the warehouse each hour. While the robotics is impressive, the AI software that is running the system is equally brilliant. The algorithm can control hundreds of autonomous robots. Symbiotic also embraces machine learning, allowing the system to learn and improve over time. Not only is this approach faster than a traditional warehouse, but it also requires up to 60% less space and a dramatically lower workforce. It wasn't long before some of the biggest companies in the world were turning to Symbiotic to help them streamline their warehouses. In 2014, Target decided to start implementing Symbiotic software in its distribution centers. But the company's fortunes would truly change in 2017 when they were asked to improve the Walmart distribution center in Florida. Walmart was so impressed that it asked for the robots to be placed in 25 additional distribution centers in a deal that earned Symbiotic millions. At present, over 2,600 warehouses use these services. But this impressive list of clients is just the beginning. In 2023, Symbiotic announced it had a new client contract worth an astonishing $7.5 billion. In this massive deal, Symbiotic would partner with investment powerhouse SoftBank to create Greenbox. This has the potential to take the company's warehouse automation services global. So, how much could investing in Symbiotic earn you? The warehousing industry is massive. It's currently worth over $1 trillion. And thanks to the rise of e-commerce, this sector is going to grow dramatically. By 2030, the sector will be valued at over $1.7 trillion. Thanks to its innovative technology, Symbiotic is hoping to capture a large piece of this growing pie. This massive opportunity is represented by the company's skyrocketing share price. In the past year, the stock price has grown by over 100%. This means you could have doubled your investment within a year. Over 5 years, it has increased by over 550%. To put this into perspective, imagine you had invested just $500 5 years ago. Today, you would have over $2,750. Despite this massive growth, many investors haven't even heard of Symbiotic yet. Warehousing might not have the same sexy allure as some of the other AI tech names. But that doesn't mean that Symbiotic should be overlooked. The AI boom could be just beginning. Just $500 is more than enough to take a bet on Symbiotic being able to control the warehousing as a service space. If they can tackle this market, they could earn trillions, sending the share price skyrocketing to even greater heights. But what do you think? Is Symbiotic going to revolutionize the supply chain, or is there a better company to invest your money into?